Hello again, dear students. Welcome back to EasEnglish, your English learning program. As usual, this is Rodrigo Lazo Campo, your English teacher. And I have to say that I am really happy to be back to you and present the part number two in lesson 202, of which the title is When I Grow Up. When I Grow Up. In this part of the lesson, we will be doing the activities to lesson 202. There are 3 activities in the lesson. Maybe you remember doing this activity in part number 1, which we divided in 2 parts. One part in which we predicted what would happen in the lesson, and the second part by the end of the lesson in which we said what actually happened in the lesson. Then we are going to focus just on the 2 remaining activities. This is the first. As you see, it is about describing the characters in the lesson. The activity consists in drawing pictures of the characters of the lesson and labeling those characters, those pictures, and also drawing a picture of the setting of the book, the setting of the lesson, When I Grow Up. And after we draw the pictures and label those pictures, we will be talking about both the characters and the setting. In other words, we're going to summarize the story again, and by summarizing that story, you're going to reuse the vocabulary. Is that right? Let's go ahead. Well, to begin with, here are the 3 characters of the lesson. You know, I am not so good at drawing pictures. I better say I am too bad at drawing pictures. Maybe you are really good. And because I am bad at drawing pictures, I have chosen to paste the pictures rather than drawing them. Then the 3 characters are a girl and her mom and dad. Now I'm going to paste some pictures describing the setting. Here are the pictures describing the setting. That is, what exactly happened in the story and where. There are 8 pictures. They are in order from left to right and from top to the bottom. Let me show you the pictures in bigger size for a better view and better understanding of the setting. And I invite you to try to describe the setting along with me or together with me. First, the girl goes to bed, or if you prefer, we can say the father or dad puts the girl to bed. It seems like she doesn't want to go to bed now. She wants to do something different. Second, the girl and her parents are at the dining table. They are eating a meal, breakfast, lunch, or dinner. But it seems like the girl doesn't want to eat what she is eating. she wants to eat something different. Third, the girl and her dad go shopping. But she doesn't seem to like to go shopping with someone else. But she would like to go shopping by herself. Then the girl goes to the cinema, to the movies with her mom and dad. It doesn't seem like she wants to go to the movies with her mom and dad. Rather, she would like to go to the movies alone. Next, she goes somewhere with her dad, by car. It is her dad who drives the car. But it seems like she would like to drive the car by herself. After that, we see the girl is ready to go to school. Here is the bus, the school bus. And mom is ready to go to work. Rather than going to school, the girl seems like she wants to go to work. Then we see the girl sitting in the middle of dad and mom. They are sitting in the living room or the sitting room. It seems like they are talking. And the girl wants to go out at night. Maybe she feels that she is old enough to go out at night. Last, the girl and mom are sitting at the dining table. And the girl is thinking about having cookies and milk. She asks her mother a question. In every case, the girl asks either dad or mom a question. Do you remember what the question is? And do you remember what dad and mom reply to her question? Let's talk about it. Let's check the questions and answers. In picture 1, this is picture 1. The girl is in bed. She asks her father when she can stay up late. Her literal question is, when can I stay up late? Her dad says she can stay up late when she grows up. In picture 2, she is eating something at the dining table with dad and mom. She asks mom when she can eat anything she wants. Mom says that she can eat anything she wants when she grows up. In picture 3, she goes shopping with her dad. And she asks dad when she can go shopping by herself. Literally, she asks, when can I go shopping by myself? Her dad answers she can go shopping by herself when she grows up. In picture 4, the girl is at the movies with dad and mom. The girl asks mom when she can go to the movies alone. She literally asks, when can I go to the movies alone? Mom says she can go to the movies alone when she grows up. In picture 5, dad is driving his car and going somewhere with the girl. The girl asks when she can drive the car. The exact question she asks is, when can I drive the car? Her father says she can drive the car when she grows up. In picture 6, the girl and her mother are getting ready to go to school and work respectively. The girl asks her mother when she can get a job, like her job. She literally asks, when can I get a job like your job? Mom says that she can get a job when she grows up. In picture 7, the girl and her dad and mom are talking. She asks her dad when she can go out at night. Exactly, she asks, when can I go out at night? Her dad answers she can go out at night when she grows up. And last, in picture 8, the girl asks her mom when she can have cookies and milk. She literally asks, when can I have cookies and milk? Her mom answers she can have cookies and milk when she grows up. To sum up, we can say that the girl cannot stay up late at night, eat anything she wants, go shopping by herself, go to the movies alone, drive the car of her family, get a job like her mother's job, and go out at night because she is not old enough, because she is too young, too little to do those things. But she can have cookies and milk. She is old enough to have cookies and milk. She is not allowed to stay up late at night, eat anything she wants, go shopping by herself, go to the movies alone, drive the car, get a job like her mother's job, and go out at night. But she is allowed to have cookies and milk. Her parents don't let her stay up late at night, eat anything she wants, go shopping by herself, go to the movies alone, drive the car, get a job like her mother's job, and go out at night. But they let her have cookies and milk. What about you? Can you think about things that you are not allowed to do? Things you cannot do? Things your parents or someone else don't let you do? Something the authorities don't let you do? Talk about that, please. This is the last activity in the lesson. The activity is about blends. You can see here we have 6 blends: BR, CR, DR, FR, PR, and TR. Then we are going to do the activity by naming the pictures the first. And after naming the pictures, we are going to write below each picture the blend, depending which blends the naming word begins with. Let's name the pictures first. This is a truck. This is a frog. This is a pretzel. This is a brush. This person is drinking something. and this is a crab. Let's say the words again. Truck, frog, pretzel, brush, drink, and crab. Now let's match the blends to the pictures. Here you can see I have matched the blends to the right pictures. Then I can say that truck begins in TR, frog begins in FR, pretzel begins in PR. I'm gonna show you the picture of a pretzel so you can see what exactly it looks like. Pretzels are a kind of biscuits. They are very popular in the United States and probably in other countries as well. Brush begins in BR, drink begins in DR, and crab begins in CR. I suggest that you think about 7 words beginning in each of these blends. That is 7 words beginning in TR, 7 beginning in FR, 7 beginning in PR, 7 beginning in BR, 7 beginning in DR, and 7 words beginning in CR, that you write those words in a list and try to make use of those words to say something in English. Well, dear students, I guess this lesson has come to the end. It was a real pleasure for me to talk to you, and I will be presenting a new lesson quite soon, I hope. In the meantime, I hope you take care and be good. Goodbye.